So I had to redo the SMG4 sound effect playlist. We're back online now. I just finished it like literally 5 minutes ago. There's a few things that is gonna happen with that one. Here's Johnny got claimed by Warner Brothers, so I had to delete that one. And Go Suck a Caterpillar Dick got age restricted, so I deleted that one because what's the point in having these sounds if they're gonna keep getting claimed? But anyways, the sounds are back online. The playlist is on the main page. It should be a little while, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes to an hour till it's updated. But the sounds are back online in the playlist form. So if you want to go check it out and have like a little fest, then go ahead.